Welcome. Today I'm with REALME C21Y from the European distribution, and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in the smartphone. So at the first, you can spot that we have here already installed protection. It's very thin foil, so you can leave this foil. It will protect your phone from the scratches, and you can also remove this foil. You can decide. I'm going to apply tempered glass on this foil to improve screen protection. So at the first, you have to be sure that the screen is turned off, and the best option is just to turn off our device. Right now, you have to also remember about the good lighting condition, because we can find on our phone few pieces of the dust and other greasy marks. So yeah, you have to get the good lighting condition, and we have to open the box with the tempered glass. At the first, when we are going to start the installation process, so inside we'll find the glass and also additional stuff, two wipes. So we are going to use the wet one at the first, this one, and right now to clean this screen, just make it like that, circles in a very corner, in the very section of the screen. Right now, after a few moves, we could easily remove all of this mess from our screen. So we have to open this dry wipe and remove these wet marks from the screen after the wet cleaning. So just do the same. After a few circles, they will disappear. Okay, and right now you have to just take a look on your screen. Be sure that there is no any dust on the screen. I can spot a few of them right here, so I'm gonna slide to the one direction to remove them. And also one is here and here. Okay, right now I'm sure that everything is fine with my display, so I can grab this tempered glass. And we have to remove this sticker. So grab it like that with your two fingers and pull a little bit, do it gently. Okay, as you can see, in my case, it's not coming with this foil that is attached right here. So if you have the same problem, you can just use your fingernail and put this nail underneath glass and remove this foil manually. That's it. Do it slowly. Okay. Right now you have to hold your glass like that in the four fingers at the top and the bottom and put it on your screen. At the first you have to put the top section and still keep holding the bottom part. Try to put it correctly for the both edges. For example, like that, and hold right here. Next, put the bottom part of the glass, just like that. Right now it will go so automatically, as you can see. You can press with your finger to make it faster. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, it was very simple. Right now we have these glue marks, so we have to remove them. You can just press with this wipe, and as you can see, it will disappear. It goes very easy. So I'm going to make it right now. Okay, and right now when you take a look on the screen, we delayed most of these glue marks. If you have few of them still, they will disappear after a few hours, don't worry. Right now I'm gonna turn on the screen and I will show you that there is no any problem with the touch interaction, even with these two layers of the protection, so the factory foil that you can spot right here, and with this tempered glass. Okay, and take a look right now. We can smoothly use our smartphone without any problems. So as you can see, everything is fine and everything is working. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.